There you go.
More.
You do it to the whole thing, Destiny.
Save the bowls.
Oh, what's in there?
She just goes to the bottom.
Ooh,
Close.
Cute.
What else is in there? Is it just those pants?
What's that? A shirt?
That is a cute shirt.
Is that for you?
She just wants to keep posing for each camera.
This.
What's your type?
Black leggings.
Awesome black leggings with this panda shirt.
So cute.
Huh?
I thought it went with a plaid shirt.
That is so
What is
cute.
that?
She's pretty good at this opening thing.
She's like trying it on, making sure it's gonna look good. What has it? Look. Does that look good? You like it? Ooh, look at
Those are
these.
cute. Now, where does everything match to everything else there, Harmony? You talked about the other things now.
What do you mean?
Well, you got all kinds of pants and shirts, but
They
none
go
of them
together
match
with
except
these
one
things.
set.
No, these all go together.
They mix
do.
and match.
They do. This goes with this.
The brown and that checker
I like how
one.
she throws them.
Brown, I think, goes with this.
Is that
one.
where it goes on your
Oh, no, that's the
head?
leggings. Oh yeah, the brown goes with this.
Oh yeah, I see
This
that
one
now.
is a separate.
Yeah.
Put it over here, Dee. This one goes with the hearts.
Oh, I see.
They're like crazy looking. They look like, I like to make it look like she dressed herself.
We got more gifts. Let's not go back to the baby doll.
She wants a baby. Oh, this is mine.
Wow.
I want these clothes.
A clothes scene already. Wow.
Destiny.
Your mama
You're not
brought you
putting it
up.
on
Am I
right
gonna need to
now.
put this on so you guys don't take it from me?
Can you get her something else or let's move to something else?
Oh my goodness, that's perfect.
Destiny, Elizabeth, sit your foot down. Sit down.
Daddy,
Here, daughter. Open this one.
God, you're a crazy lady.
Open this one.
You're a crazy lady, huh?
You got more. You got more.
cool that she likes clothes.
She's getting there.
Okay. Like this.
Pick it up in a second there.
I don't know if it's good. I think it's gonna
A book.
Should you turn the flash on? Yeah. Don't turn the flash off. You can turn the flash off, it's gonna blur every time.
You're almost there.
Okay.
There you go.
What's that?
Your favorite book? Is that a book?
Cool book.
Look, Destiny, look. Right here.
Oh my god, is that so neat?
Those are gonna be ripped off when they can leak.
Yeah.